Magnitude 6.5 earthquake affected countries: Solomon Islands and Papua New Guinea. 65 km NW of Kirakira. Solomon Islands. Powerful earthquake struck near the Solomon Islands on Sunday morning, triggering a tsunami warning that was later cancelled, according to US government agencies, and there were no immediate reports of damage. The quake was centered 100 kilometers, 60 miles, south of Kirakira on the island of Makira at a depth of 29 kilometers, 18 miles, according to the US Geological Survey. So far we have received no reports of damage, said Constable Taylor Fugo from Kirakira Police. The people responded very well to the tsunami warning. They all went up the hills and have been watching and waiting for advice.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to us on YouTube. If you like, donate to us, visit home on the page PayPal.